Me and Steve are just in the middle of the desert right now.
Fat boy shirtless rock climbing, dude.
Exactly. That's me, the title.
These are also cooler. Shirt. Side bends. Side bends. Twist the hips. Stir the pot.
It just does look tough.
Tough.
This?
Dude, there's hella ledges.
Not me to grab onto. If I do this, get your fingers in those cracks, like Alex Honnold does. Oh yeah. You're not gonna lie, that was actually kind of tough.
That was tough?
A little bit. It was just like technical.
I don't like how these rocks are so fucking hollow, dude.
Hashtag fake rocks.
Seriously.
They just put them up here for design.
Huh?
They just put them up here for like design, kind of, you know?
Yeah, like interior design. Externally.
Some exterior design.
Some exterior, interior design.
Go that way. Damn, it's hot. Starting to feel it.
Oh. I think this is gonna be fairly easy though.
This part's easy. But up there, it's not gonna be. Up there looks sketchy too. Like, we can't mess up when we're climbing up there.
Straight vertical. Got a fat hole right there.
I'm not really wearing hiking shoes either.
No.
Wearing Sperry's.
You got those Sperry's on?
I got another pair. These are like my ones I wear motorcycle riding and stuff. So I don't care to get fucked up.
Ooh. Oh. This looks like it might be halfway doable over here to the right. That should get there. But I'll see where to grab. You try if you want. Dude, this looks so sketchy.
So right hand there, left hand reach around.
Oh, yeah, I know, I seen you, but this, I'm kind of already sketched out on this, dude. That's fucking crazy, bro.
Pretty cool. Look over here, look over here. Look at that edge right over here.
I don't wanna go unless you're going. Isolate, I'm sorry, I'm so late, I couldn't. I got plenty.
Oh yeah, fat boys.